Welcome to Apex Motorhome. Today, I'll show you the Kenworth Monster Motorhome. Stay till the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Welcome.
Imagine pulling up in a motorhome so luxurious, it makes Beverly Hills mansions look basic. Today on Apex Motorhome, we are diving into the unbelievable $100 million gold motorhome, the most expensive and outrageous RV ever created. This is not just a vehicle. It is a rolling palace built for billionaires, celebrities, and anyone who wants to live like royalty on wheels. Starting at the front, the driving cab looks more like a private jet cockpit than a traditional RV. You get premium leather seats, a fully digital dashboard, and a massive smart touchscreen system that controls navigation, climate, lighting, and even security cameras around the entire vehicle. Advanced radar and driver assistance systems make this motorhome feel futuristic, helping with lane control, collision detection, and adaptive cruise like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Step inside, and the first floor instantly shocks you. The interior is covered in gold-plated accents, marble flooring, and custom-designed furniture. The main living area features ultra-soft sofas, a massive entertainment wall with a hidden Ultra HD screen, and a premium surround sound system. There is also a fully equipped luxury kitchen with high-end appliances, including a smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, built-in oven, and even a wine cooler. Every surface feels handcrafted and exclusive. Moving toward the center, you will find a dining area that looks like a five-star restaurant on wheels. Ambient lighting adjusts automatically, creating the perfect mood whether it is day or night. Smart glass windows can tint instantly for privacy at the touch of a button. Now let us head upstairs to the second floor, where comfort meets pure luxury. This level is dedicated to the master suite. You get a king-size bed with memory foam, gold detailing, and panoramic windows offering breathtaking views wherever you travel. There is a private lounge area, a walk-in closet, and a fully automated wardrobe system. The bathroom feels like a luxury hotel, featuring a rain shower, gold fixtures, heated floors, and a smart mirror with built-in display functions. But it does not stop there. The third floor takes this motorhome to another level. This space acts as a private rooftop lounge. You will find an open-air seating area, a mini-bar, and even a jacuzzi for relaxing under the stars. There is also a retractable canopy system and climate control, making it usable in different weather conditions. Technology is everywhere in this RV. From voice control commands to full automation, you can manage everything from your phone or central touchscreen. Security includes biometric access, 360-degree cameras, and advanced alarm systems. Even the lighting and temperature adjust based on your preferences. On the outside, the gold-plated exterior makes it impossible to ignore. Custom LED lighting, massive wheels, and a sleek aerodynamic design turn heads everywhere it goes. Despite its insane luxury, the motorhome is powered by a high-performance engine designed to handle long-distance travel across the United States with ease. So what does it feel like to own something like this? It is not just about transportation, it is about status, comfort, and living a life most people only dream about. This $100 million gold motorhome is proof that luxury has no limits. If you enjoyed this insane tour, make sure to subscribe to Apex Motorhome for more unbelievable vehicles that redefine luxury living on wheels. Trust me, you do not want to miss what we show next. And imagine cruising down the highway while everyone turns their heads, pulling out phones just to capture a glimpse of this golden masterpiece. The ride quality is incredibly smooth thanks to advanced suspension systems that absorb bumps and keep everything stable, even at higher speeds. Inside, you barely feel the road, making long trips relaxing instead of tiring. There is also a dedicated workspace area for those who want to stay productive while traveling. High-speed internet, integrated screens, and wireless connectivity allow you to work, stream, or control everything seamlessly. This motorhome truly combines business and pleasure in one incredible machine. Storage is another area where this RV dominates. Hidden compartments, smart storage systems, and expandable sections ensure you can carry everything you need without sacrificing space or style. Even the garage section can store luxury items or equipment securely. At the end of the day, This is more than just the most expensive motorhome ever built. It is a symbol of innovation, engineering, and extreme luxury pushed to the limit. And here on Apex Motorhome, we bring you the most insane creations on the planet. Stay tuned, because the next one might be even crazier. Do not forget to hit subscribe.